Embrace the adventure of a lifetime and volunteer your skills and talents through Leave for Change. University of Guelph staff and faculty can use their vacation time to volunteer for projects with Uniterra partners in a developing country.
We have a lot of people who do remarkable things. Leave for Change is just one part of that, but now with such a critical mass of people who've been, then we actually have an army of people who are imbued with the same kind of spirit about simple things can make a huge difference to people's lives.
I think it's really important for individuals to really examine the reasons behind stepping forward. It is a big move because individuals are going to countries around the world working relatively independently.
So I went to Guatemala in the summer of 2013 and I was stationed in Guatemala City.
I was in Accra, Ghana.
I went to Lilongwe in Malawi.
Well, I actually went to Hoa Su School in Vietnam, just in the capital, which is Hanoi.
I went to Nepal in fall of 2012, just outside of Kathmandu.
I think that Leave for Change, as the impact it has, falls very much in line with the university's mission to participate in various parts of the world in partnerships in research and in implementing various kinds of projects.
There's a real energy and I think there's a real connection to the university's overall mandate. So it really aligns with what the university says that it does, improving lives.
When you go to a place like that and people are sort of understand who you are, what you can offer, and all of a sudden you start to realize the skills and the knowledge that you've gained over the years and that it is really valid and it's important and it's useful to other people and in so many different ways.
Going on Leave for Change changed my life. It's the best thing I've ever done. It's had the biggest impact, I think, of anything I've ever done.
Being able to take this back to share with the community here that maybe we can make a difference by going out there and actually just exposing ourselves to them and bringing back some of the experiences that we have from there and grow with that.
I really appreciate that the Leave for Change program is not about us parachuting into another community with ready-made solutions. That we go in with an idea of what we can offer, but in order to offer anything, we have to engage in dialogue with the people on the ground and to create solutions that are not our solutions, but that are their solutions. And that is, I think, one of the greatest powers of the Leave for Change program, that we are partners. We're not saviors. And we are there to learn too.
I certainly viewed Canada as a nation of helpers, and I think this sort of program just perpetuates and enhances that image.
To colleagues who are contemplating this kind of an activity, I really like to talk to them in an overexcited and far too quick manner to convey to them how astonishing an experience it is and how meaningful, and that they'll never be the same again. Do it.
Do it. Just do it.
Do it.
Do it. Don't hold back.
Just go for it.
What I would say is just do it.
I brought away probably more than I left behind.